Louisville's biggest company is once again rumored to be for sale. Humana is in talks to combine with its health insurance rival Cigna. The Wall Street Journal reporting today the two Fortune 50 companies could strike a merger deal by the end of the year. So let's bring in WDRB.com business reporter Chris Otts. And Chris, this is just speculation right now, but why are these companies looking at combining now?
Well, I mean, it's all about the bottom line and making more money for shareholders. Humana and Cigna both have different strengths within health insurance. Humana is more about Medicare. They're getting out of the commercial employer insurance business altogether. And Cigna is quite the opposite. So a potential combination of these two could make sense in terms of they're competing with larger companies like United Healthcare or Aetna, which is now owned by CVS. I spoke earlier today with a former executive at both Humana and Cigna.
That's what is really behind this, is how can these companies, if they're combined, achieve more profitable growth and please shareholders more than they currently are. So it's all about making Wall Street happy and to continue to find ways to grow profitably, and that's really what's driving this deal.
So this could be like deja vu for you, because we've seen something
right.
similar before. Humana was supposed to be sold to Aetna back in 2015, but that deal fell apart. So could the same thing happen with this potential deal that we're seeing?
It could, and that is the big risk. Obviously, investors are looking at that risk. It's the antitrust risk, the risk that the government will block this. That's what happened with Humana and Aetna back in 2017 was when a judge said no to that deal. The thought is that perhaps Cigna and Humana have complementary businesses, even though they're both health insurers. They don't really play in each other's lanes. But they both, for example, own pharmacy benefit managers, those middlemen drug companies like Express Scripts is the biggest in the industry that Cigna owns. So there would definitely be questions about this. So if the deal is consummated, which it hasn't been yet, then we'd have to see, does it survive the antitrust concerns? So there's still a long way to go with this.
We'll see what happens. You have been busy on the business beat this year. Chris, thank you so much. We know you'll be following this closely and what it all means for Louisville. You can read more of his story right now on our website, WDRB.com.